How to use Fisheye Expansion. First, it is the display on the website. We can see 3 installation methods: top loading, wall mount, desktop. Our device is placed on the desktop, so choose the third option. First, it's the fisheye. Then comes the 180-degree perspective. The screen can be dragged here. Next is 360 plus 1 piece. Then there is 360 plus 6 piece. Next is the fisheye plus 3 PTZ. Next is the fisheye plus 4 PTZ. Then is the fisheye plus 9 PTZ. Next is the display mode of the wall mount installation method. Fisheye, panoramic, panoramic plus 3 piece, panoramic plus 4 piece, panoramic plus 9 piece. Next, let's see how to implement Fisheye Expansion on the NVR. First, open the fisheye. On the preview page of the NVR, we can choose different installation methods and display modes here, the same as the camera web interface just now. Finally, perform Fisheye Expansion on the EZ7 VMS. Place the mouse cursor over the camera footage area. Click Fisheye Expansion. We can choose different installation methods and display modes here, the same as the camera web interface just now.